Extreme times require extreme methods. Introducing Purus Air V, a perfect combination of cyclone cleaning, UVC sterilizing, and a molecular sieve, offering you triple filtration. Our 12-channel cyclone system gets rid of bioaerosols, giving you clean and fresh air, with nanomolecular sieves and UVC sterilizing, making sure the air expelled is sterilized and bacteria-free. Perfect for everyday use. Bottle-sized, easy to carry. Compact design with so much to offer. Purus Air V. Breathe like never before.